How to create a YouTube channel in 2024. You might think that's easy, but there are many important steps and settings to consider. With our experience of running dozens of channels, I will guide you through the process of creating the channel the right way. We'll use this channel Coswin as an example, which made over 1,000 subs in less than a month. And it always begins with setting up a new Google account. I recommend creating a separate email specifically for your channel. And first, find the Create Account button, click on it, and choose for my personal use. On the Create a Google Account page, enter your name and surname. You can use any name you like, but I suggest using your actual name for simplicity. Then we need to fill in the basic information, enter your birthday and gender. After that, the email page, use your new email address. And next step, set your password and confirm it. Okay, privacy and terms. I agree, of course, 100% I agree. The phone number isn't crucial, but for easier login, use a number you frequently access. And congrats, your Gmail account is ready. Now open YouTube Studio and log in with your newly created account. One of the first things when you create a YouTube channel is choosing a name and handle. Many people struggle with how to name their new YouTube channel correctly. I always advise using your real name and surname. This helps make you more recognizable, especially if you want to build up a personal brand or become an expert in your niche. For a brand or a company channel, it's best to use the company's or brand's name. The main thing is that the channel name is unique and easy to find. Think about everyone who will be searching for your channel. The easier it is for them to find you, the better. Don't waste time trying to SEO optimize the channel name. It doesn't work. You'll just mess up a good channel for no reason. We named our channel Coswin because it's a combination of two last names. Kazira, my partner's last name, and Weiner, my last name. We didn't name our channel something like Coswin, the guys who share YouTube secrets and show how to gain millions of views. No. It's just Coswin, simple and easy to remember. But before you choose a name, you should definitely decide what your channel will be about. Take Coswin once again. We defined our niche. All the videos are about YouTube, how to create a YouTube channel, what tags to use, how to get 1,000 subs, etc. We delved deeply into this niche. And most importantly, people watch us because we have something to say. The same should happen with your channel. Find a niche where you excel and have something to share. Create a content plan to upload videos according to a schedule rather than saying, I will upload it later, I just sleep now. Think about who your content is for and try to understand what age group your videos are suitable for. Once everything is set up, set the currency. Open YouTube Studio and go to Settings, General, Default Units. This only affects how your monetization revenue is displayed. I typically use US dollars, but if you're in Europe, you might prefer euros. Next step, channel. In the basic info section, choose your country of residence. Some believe this can be changed later, but that's not true. I chose the United States. You can select any country without affecting monetization, audience, or YouTube's treatment of your channel. If you don't want to show your country, leave it blank. YouTube may ask for it for verification, but it doesn't impact anything. When setting channel keywords, you can include your channel's name and some common misspellings. This helps YouTube index your channel correctly. People will search by name, so make sure it's easy to find. Then add a few specific keywords about your main topics. For Coswin, we use keywords like YouTube tutorials, YouTube advice, YouTube coach, YouTube tips, how to grow a YouTube channel, and Coswin. These will attract a broad audience from beginners to experienced creators. I would also add beginner YouTube tips or advanced YouTube strategies. Next, head over to advanced settings to select your audience. The choice is simple: kids only, adults only, or a custom setting for each video. Unless you're making purely kids content, choose the second option. Custom settings make uploading more tedious as you have to select an audience every time. Skip automatic captions, they don't affect much. Disable interest-based ads should stay unchecked to maintain 99% of your monetization. And finally, you can decide whether viewers can create clips from your content, but won't significantly impact you. The next crucial step is in the feature eligibility tab. Here you'll find 3 submenus: standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. Standard features are available to everyone from the start. To upload videos longer than 15 minutes, create custom thumbnails, and do live streams, you will need to verify your phone number. This is simple, just enter your country, phone number, receive a code via SMS or voice message, and enter it in the form. And note that Google allows linking only 2 YouTube channels to 1 phone number per year, so plan accordingly if you intend to create multiple channels. Once your phone number is verified, enable intermediate features, and next, activate all advanced features. The list of additional capabilities is extensive, but the most important ones include adding external links in video descriptions and becoming eligible for monetization. To enable these, you can either go through video verification, provide an ID, or simply wait for YouTube's automatic approval, which usually takes about 2 weeks. Being eligible for monetization is a vital step for your channel's growth, so make sure you complete this process. Upload defaults is the section where you set your default settings for all uploads. In the basic tab, you can choose a default title and description. I recommend leaving the title blank so your videos don't have the same name. For the description, include links to your social media, Amazon products, sponsor email, or anything else you want in every video description. This way, you won't need to copy and paste each time. For visibility, choose unlisted to give yourself more time to write a description, upload the thumbnail, and make minor adjustments. In the advanced settings, leave the license as is and select your channel category. The language and caption certification can remain unchanged as they don't affect much. For comments, enable basic moderation to hide inappropriate comments while showing all the positive ones. Let YouTube display the number of likes your videos receive for more transparency with your viewers. The permissions section is straightforward. Here you can invite people to access your YouTube studio by entering their email and assigning an access type. This can range from viewing statistics to fully managing your channel. For example, if we were working together, you could give us partial access to help grow your channel efficiently. In community, you don't need to change anything, but I recommend scrolling down to blocked words and typing in some offensive words you don't want to be seen in comments. If someone then decides to leave a hateful comment with these exact words, they will get blocked from spreading their negativity. Well, you know how this works. And I also recommend turning on block links just to prevent people from spamming links in the comments. Agreement section remains empty until you join the YouTube Partner Program, requiring 500 subs, 3,000 watch hours, and 3 public uploads in the last 3 months. And soon you will be able to do it. Once you do, click save and half the job is done. I say half because we haven't customized the channel yet, which is crucial. Let's move to customization, layout, channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, and featured video for returning subscribers, and choose your latest video. Right now with 0 videos will be blank, but update this as soon as you upload something. Enable the For You section so YouTube can show your most relevant videos. In basic info, you can change the channel name and handle if needed. Use the channel description to briefly tell viewers what your channel is about and include links to social media. For basic info, enter an email for business inquiries and avoid using the email linked to your YouTube account or your personal email to prevent hacking and spam. Another menu that often confuses people is branding. It may seem complicated, but it's quite simple. For the profile picture, use your photo to make yourself more recognizable in search. Anything more creative is optional. The same goes for the banner image and video watermark. Use a photo related to your channel's name or create something unique in Photoshop or some AI tools. And here are a few more tips about AI. Many think that you can use AI to automate content creation on YouTube and make money from it. That's not quite true. I've talked about this in detail in my previous video. AI can do a lot, but it doesn't always do it well, or it can get your channel demonetized. You try so hard with your YouTube channel, coming up with ideas, scripts, and putting in a ton of effort, only to lose monetization. YouTube channel is dead. It's a nightmare. But AI can be useful to some extent. For example, if you already have a video script and need to generate text for a post, AI can help shorten the text and rephrase it, although it doesn't always work out perfectly. Or you have a long video that you want to edit into YouTube Shorts. AI can do it, but out of 10 shorts, only 1 or 2 might turn out well. Or you can generate banner images or logos, as I mentioned before, and that's it. AI can, should, or edit videos for you, especially it doesn't come up with original ideas and scripts for your videos. And I'm talking about real long-term content for people that people actually want to watch. Now you might ask, how should I create content? I lack experience. Who can do this? Humans. Until AI is perfect, humans should be doing this. Let's look at our channel Coswin. We launched this channel a month ago and already have 1,600 subscribers, 55,000 views, and got it monetized just like that. If you prefer to manage solo, our full-time YouTuber Academy offers detailed lessons to kickstart your YouTube channel. Let's connect. Simply click the link in the description. And starting a YouTube channel is just the beginning, because after that comes actually creating videos. It is usually much more difficult than just going through a few menus views on the website. But I get it, you may still be afraid to start making videos. No one knows you, you have no subscribers, but exactly for you, we've recently made a video on how to overcome your fear and finally start making those videos. But if you still feel scared and unsure, don't be shy to click the link in the description. We're here to help you with your journey.